Buying your first home is an exciting time in your life. However, there are some important things to keep in mind. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 tips that can help prevent some common pitfalls. Tip number 1, get pre-approved. Many buyers, they just start the process too soon. Today, it's so easy to go online to look for your perfect home. There are literally hundreds of websites that show home listings, and people, they really don't know how much they're approved for. They don't know what their budget is. It's kind of like going to the grocery store, not really knowing how much money's in your checking account and wanting to buy groceries. It just doesn't make sense. Go talk with your lender. See exactly what you're pre-approved for. Loan officers, they should be able to give you a pre-approval within minutes. It's just that easy. Tip number 2, use a credit union. I know, I'm a little biased here, but I always recommend using credit unions. Here's why. Credit unions are not-for-profit. This often translates into lower rates and fees when shopping for loan products. Credit unions are also able to offer the same loan products as anybody else. If your lender isn't able to answer your questions about your loans for conventional, jumbo, FHA, USDA, or construction or bare land, please let us know. Don't miss out on understanding all of your options. Tip number 3, understand all costs when buying a home. Buyers often think they just need to save the down payment when they want to buy their home. They often don't know there are additional costs involved in the buying process. Some of the costs include, but are not limited to, taxes and insurance. Every home has them, and they all vary depending on the home. Title fees, appraisal fees, home inspection fees. Buyers don't often know they have a choice and can finance some or all of those closing costs by asking the seller to pay them when buying a home. Talk with your lender, review your budget, include the amount of all closing costs needed so there are no surprises when buying your home. Tip number 4, always use an agent to buy your home. Usually, getting a buyer's agent doesn't cost you anything as the fees are paid for by the seller. There are exceptions, but this is generally how most transactions are done. You can use the listing agent to represent you, but honestly, is that in your best interest? Wouldn't you rather have an agent whose responsibility is to you and not also to the seller? This is possibly the largest financial transaction you may make in your life. Don't you want somebody in your corner? My advice, do the research to find a buyer's agent to represent you. If you need help with the research or would like suggestions, please let us know. This is so important. Tip number 5, protect your credit. Many borrowers start looking at their home and immediately go out to the big box stores, start looking at new furniture, new appliances. Just don't do it. Don't make any new credit purchases while applying for a mortgage. Your loan approval is based on your total monthly payments. Your lender is going to get an updated credit report just before they fund your loan. If you start making new credit purchases, your lender's going to see it. This could mean the difference between getting your loan or getting a denial. Just wait until your loan closes, and then go out and buy those things you're wanting. So there you have it. 5 tips to consider when working towards making your dreams of home ownership a reality. However, this list is by no means complete. Keep communication with your loan officer open and ask them if they have any ideas to help make your process go smoother. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope we've helped make your loan approval a little easier and brought you closer to your dreams.